Direct Hoses OR11. Is it a poor man's Kranzle or is it rubbish? So these are on offer at the moment. The Karcher pack with trolley is usually $329.99, but at the moment they're down to $259.99. Let's look at the stats, what they are. So they're a 2,100 PSI, 11 litres per minute, 2,200 watt. Compact and powerful, 2100 PSI rated, offers fantastic performance and power at a competitive price. Comes with all the nozzles, trigger gun, everything. It says it comes with an underbody attachment, but I'm not sure if I saw that in there. One thing that's quite crucial about these is it will draw water from a bucket, water tank, or a standard mains water feed. So it could be good for a start-up mobile detailer who's got a van with a tank in the back of it. Let's dig into this. So, where are we with the Direct Hoses OR11? The pressure washer is bloody brilliant, and I've had a Direct Hoses All Black 9 before, and it was really good. Great pressure washer. This was on a deal recently, and my Karcher K4 full control had died. So I was like, do you know what? I'm going to get one. The quality of the item is good. I'm not going to say it's the best. These being broken is annoying, and that's consistent with other issues that I've had as well. When my All Black 9 turned up, it had a faulty automatic starter. The pressure switch that tells it to automatically go was faulty. That had to go back. It's a little bit of a hard one, this. This is, I think, the best pressure washer that you can buy in this price point. It's absolutely bloody brilliant, and I'm impressed with this. My All Black 9's literally just sat there, actually. I am impressed with this. I think it's good. I think what you get for the kit is absolutely fantastic. The pressure and the amount of water that it gets out is great. It gets snow foam cannons working properly because they've got the right pressure behind them. The attachments it comes with, it's everything you need. And also, it's actually very, very quiet when it's in use, considering how many litres per hour it can move. So, I've got to give it, from me, I've got to give it a 7 out of 10. If I was rating it on the product alone, product to value, I'd give it a 10 out of 10. But the fact that I've now had 2 pressure washers from Direct Hoses, and they've both turned up with faults, is an issue. Am I going to bother talking to them about this clip? Because both sides are broken? I'll probably just send them a link to this video. Yeah. It's a hell of a good bit of kit. If you're after a sub £350 decent pressure washer that's a lot better than a Karcher, it is approved. Enjoy.